Hi, everyone. Let me introduce myself, my brand, Madcap Hats, and the purpose for this YouTube channel. My name is Tori Capes, and I'm a certified milliner. That means I studied hat making at college. Hats is located in Ontario, Canada, and this is my front yard. I design and I make our hats right here in our lakeside studio, surrounded by this lake, rocks, and trees. Perfect for making hats for the great outdoors. I'm going to show you how to wear a hat, how to measure your head so you know what your hat size or your head size is. And then we're going to take that a step further and draft a simple pattern on making your own headband or maybe a toque for the winter based on that information. I'm wearing one of our most popular sun hats. It's called the Sun Blocker, a hat that's designed to fit most heads and it keeps the sun off your face. It's April here in Canada, so that means we're excited to think about the summer and getting outside and having warmer days ahead. I make a lot of these hats every year. You can go to my website at www.madcaphats.com and check them out. And I make other hats as well. Here's a straw hat, headbands in different widths and sizes. So the wider one, like I have on now, you can scrunch up. And here's another. Anyway, if you'd like to learn more about hats, about your head, about your face shape, how to wear a hat, how to make a hat, then please like and subscribe to this channel as we start our adventures this summer in Hats 101. I'm going to teach you how to make a headband soon, so subscribe and we'll see you soon. Thank you.